Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Paige. If you've never seen my face before, then please consider subscribing before you leave. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Alright girlfriends, so today, I'm pretty sure you've seen the title, you've seen the thumbnail, you know what's going down. You came here for one reason and one reason only. And I'm gonna give it to you. Dun, 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 dun. I am so excited. I had already started seeing pictures of the box itself on social media and was getting real excited because they changed up the packaging a little bit. Like, I don't know why I'm like so obsessed with branding, but this box gave me that spring fever. You know, like I love spring. Do I like it being hot outside? No, but my birthday is in the spring and I'm an April Fool's baby, and this box spoke to me. Then when I opened it, it was like girly overload. I love all the flowers, succulents, cactuses, all the things. It's just so pretty. You didn't come here to look at the box, so let's just go ahead and jump on in. I have not unpackaged this. I did take a peek inside the box and I tried on one thing. And what I like so much that they've changed, you can actually like take a quiz and decide what you want in it. So there's like, either you can get this or this, or this or this. And it will actually let you choose it so that you can get the option that you would have preferred, rather than looking in here and being like, oh man, I would have rather had that. Or I would have rather had the other thing, you know what I mean? So they always give you these little things right here, and this is kind of like their FabFitFun catalog. It's not really a catalog because, you know, you can't really buy nothing out of it, but it's like a magazine, you know, like a info something. So it gave me the option in between a couple things, and I mean, I already know what's in here for the most part because I got to pick the stuff that I wanted, which I loved. Love. So the one thing that I already tried on were my shades. So I could pick between two different pairs of key, yes, I said key shades. If you did not know, one pair of key shades costs more than you pay for this box. Okay, let me repeat that. One pair of those key shades, Q-U-A-Y, if you didn't know how to pronounce that, that's how you say it, costs more than this box costs. Just the shades alone, you're going to get your money back. So there were two different styles. I already had a style very similar to the other one, so I went with the other style and I already tried them on. So I'm going to pull that out first. I love Key and Diff. They're two very popular shade brands, and a lot of influencers and celebrities like partner with them and they make their own designs or whatever. But these are kind of like aviators and they're all black. Do we love? Do we love? I mean, you're gonna get some flashback off of my ring light here, but I absolutely love them, of course, because they are more expensive. The arms are not flimsy at all. They're kind of on the thicker side, which I like because I don't want them to be all flimsy and break on me or bend or whatever, but really like these. The other pair were more of like a cat eye, which I have a very similar pair, so I was like, you know what, I'll pass on that. Next we have a Sip by Swell bottle, and I love Swell bottles. I have a wooden one, but you can put pretty much whatever you want. I typically only put water in these bottles. I drink so many bottles of water a day, but that's really what I only keep in here, and I thought this was so cute for spring and summer because of the peachy tone, and it has these little blue wells. I just think it's so cute. These by themselves are 20 bucks. So, and that's, if you go to Target, you can see it all day long. They're always $20. That's just really cute to throw in your gym bag or your purse, and you want to make sure that you're keeping your water with you and cool during the day. Hey girl, hey. Okay, I have no idea what this is. Is that one of the Williams sisters? I think this is a jump rope. It says jump rope. Is this a jump rope? It says it's a $15 jump rope. What does this jump rope do? Does it jump for you, or? Fun fact, your girl was on the jump rope team in middle school. I know a lot of y'all probably like, what in the devil's a jump rope team? Well, I was on it, okay? We did all these like really cool things, and I could jump rope really fast. I could do like the, I don't know, all the little tricks and stuff. But one thing I never quite got the gist of was the two, what is it? Is it double dutch? What is that? Where you can do the two? I almost got it, but then I feel like the jump rope team didn't last very long at our middle school. But I was. My mama can vouch for me. I was on a jump rope team. So it's very good cardio, And I don't know, it just feels different. It's funner than a lot of other versions of cardio. I don't know, but this is really cute. It's like a periwinkle color, and it's the jump rope that I like. It's like, now if this hits the back of your legs, it's gonna welt you, but this is my favorite one because I feel like I can really go fast with these, so I'll definitely be using this. What's we got, girl? Ooh, it is you. Body lotion. All right, we have a $20 body lotion by Levito, inspired by nature. This is mandarin, orange, and bergamot. That sounds just like me right there. Let's put some on the back of thy hand. Ooh, is this hand lotion or just body? Oh my gosh. Okay, that's going in my purse. That's very, it's not sticky. Oh my gosh, that smells so clean, but like not fruity, but perfumey. I feel like I smell lemon instead of mandarin and orange. But the bergamot in it gives it something else. This is, oh my gosh, if y'all got this, leave a comment. Tell me what you thought about it, because honestly, I'm being dead. Oh my gosh, oh, and my hand feels good. That smells bomb, okay? I'm gonna have to look these people up. Hydrate, nourish, and protect. Just says citrus for all skin types. Dermatologically tested. I'm obsessed with that scent. Like, I want a candle in that scent. I want some body wash. Oh my gosh, that smells like money. All right, here's something. I don't never know how to say this. I've seen so many people speak very highly of this brand. I want to say Desi Perkins did like a curly hair routine, and I feel like this is the only brand she used. Ouai. I don't know, y'all pronounce it for me in the comments. Help us sister out. Do know this stuff is not cheap, and it says in here that this leave-in conditioner is 26 bucks. I'm very, very excited to try this out. It says to mist lightly throughout damp hair prior to brushing and or heat styling for added conditioning, thermal protection, and control. Ooh, so it gives me thermal protection. I'm excited. I've heard nothing but wonderful things about this brand, so I'm super excited to try it out. This is Dr. Brandt, another brand that I've heard phenomenal things about, and this is called No More Baggage. Eye depuffing gel. Under eye bags, dark circles, it visibly reduces the look of those. I don't have any eye products because I don't know. I never know what direction to go in. Let's see how much this one cost. Honey, this mess costs $42, and I believe it because Dr. Brandt ain't cheap. Oh my gosh. I really hope that I like this. It says after your eye moisturizer, warm a tiny amount between your fingers and then gently pat directly on the bags or dark circles. Use alone or under makeup. For best results, let dry in between applications. Reapply as needed. Honey hush. I'm excited. This little tube is $40-some. I just can't get over that. I mean, if it works, it works. It's very nice packaging. I don't really have, I'll get like dark, don't really have a smell. I'm still smelling that darn lotion I put on. I'm obsessed. All right. What is this? It's heavy, whatever it is. Ooh, a scrub. I love scrubs. If this is not your first time watching me, you know I'm obsessed with exfoliants and body scrubs. Absolutely love them. And this is heavy. Whatever this is, it says, I keep getting a whiff of that lotion. I'm not joking. I want to go drown myself in it. It's so good. Okay, anyway, back to this. So it's a champagne charcoal scrub. Okay, this is $24. Must be the champagne. I can't smell it and I don't want to open it. I really like charcoal exfoliants because I just feel like it extra detoxifies your body. So those are like one of my top favorite ones, any of them that have charcoal in it. And this one looks like it's got pretty nice size like granules in it. The packaging is really nice. This sort of pinkish rose gold metallic lid, and it also has like foiling on the letters. Very, very nice. Okay, and the last thing that I think I picked myself. You could either get this, a really pretty floral robe, or a oil diffuser. If you didn't know, I have two very, very pretty floral robes that came from Shop Pink Blush, and I have like 4 diffusers. So I said, I think I'll go with this. It is this little canvas backpack with like these faux leather accents. How does this, oh, okay. So I can make this smaller. I feel like this is gonna be like the perfect like travel-y kind of backpack because mine's a little on the heavier side because it's leather. this one is really cute. Look at this. So this bag is like almost like a canvas tote. Very durable. If it gets wet, it's fine. And it's got, like I said, these faux leather. Now I will say these straps are a little on the thin side, but that's fine. I mean, like I said, I don't plan on putting a whole lot in here. And you just open it on that. And I did hook those on the side, so you don't have to hook those. You could leave it open if you wanted like more space. You see the difference over here and over here, how much more open it is over here. And it does have a pocket on the inside. It has care instructions inside on a little card. I could definitely fit my wallet, probably 2 cameras in here if I wanted to. My new lotion that I'm obsessed with. I probably could even fit this. Yes, my bottle would even fit in here, and even the new shades would fit in there too. So I think that's really cute, and I love the fact that you can choose in between. So if this isn't your taste, you could definitely pick the robe or the diffuser. All right, guys, I will have all the information that you need, including my code that I don't get any money from. I don't get anything from it. I just really love sharing with these with you every season. I feel like this is a year now that I've been working with FabFitFun, and I absolutely love them. They send me these boxes every season, and it's like Christmas 4 times a year, but I feel like spring and summer boxes are definitely my favorite. I can't wait to see summer because I feel like they knocked it out of the park with this spring box. I am not joking. I feel like I will use every single thing. Sometimes there's like 2 things and I'm like, okay, I'll give these away because I'll never use them and I'll end up hoarding a bunch of products, but I honestly feel like I could use all this stuff. I mean, especially this lotion. Can I just go ahead and put it on the back of my other hand? Because gosh, is this what Oprah smells like? So yeah, don't forget to look down there. I have my code, I'll have a link so you can go straight there to get your shop on. Get your FabFitFun fix. You deserve it. You should definitely treat yourself. I feel like this is such a treat, especially when you're getting items in here that can range well over $200 to $300 when you're only paying $49.99. Like, this is the perfect gift to treat yourself, because who doesn't need a little pick-me-up 4 times a year? I mean, I need one like 12 times a year, but this will do the trick for now. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one, and I hope you have a beautiful and blessed day, y'all. Bye!